This is Marie, and I am going to be discussing how to use Skype. So today we're going to go into using Skype and just kind of creating a Skype account. And I already have one. My sister does not, so I am going to be setting her up with a Skype account today. So what we're going to do is we're going to go in, and we're just going to go into Skype.com, and then I want to download the Skype for free internet website, and that's going to be www.skype.com, and this is the basic website for that. Maybe I can turn it this way so you can see it a little bit more. Okay. Now what I'm going to do, if you look over here, is I'm going to go into the sign in. I'm going to make it, Internet Explorer by default. Okay, now I'm going to create an account. And so I'm creating an account. I'm going to type in the names of what I need. So her name is Brittany, so I'm going to type in B-R-I-T-T-A-N-Y. Last name Thornton, like mine. Her email address, BRITMT07 at yahoo.com. I think that's right. I'm going to have to check on that one. Okay, it is at Hotmail, not Yahoo. Then what I typically like to do, because I don't like to repeat the same thing, I'm going to copy it over here. Then it adds profile information. Now, to my understanding, the reason why it wants your birth date is because they actually do send out cards and different things to recognize your birthday. So, I did this wrong, thinking that that was a year. And then she's a female. For the United States, in English because we speak English. And then her phone number. Okay. This is how do you plan to use Skype? Now you can use it for your business. We're going to use it for personal conversations. And for her Skype name, I'm going to try her beginning of her email address, so she won't have any problems with it. And then I'm going to create a password for her. Trying to think here, what would be a good one for her? Hopefully we can do this. Hope it's strong enough. And then we're going to go by email. And then this text usually is a problem, so we're going to try, to see if we can read this. I think it's just the number, so this shouldn't be too bad. A lot easier than mine was, that's for sure. And then I'm going to agree. Let's see if this takes. Yes, so now we have an account. And it says, "Hi Brittany, welcome to your account. We're going to download Skype on other devices." Now the cool thing about Skype is you can download it for just about anything. You can download it on your mobile phone, on your just to kind of give you a show, see, so you can see. You can download it all the way across different devices, which is nice. You have a mobile, you have a computer, you have TV, and all kinds of different devices. Now for us, for this particular one, we're going to do our computer. And we're going to go ahead and do the Windows desktop. And it says, "Start using your shiny Skype. Thank you for downloading." We're going to go ahead and run it. It takes a little while for it to download. I'm going to go ahead and pause it for a second as it's taking. One thing that I guess I can show is that we're using, it's scanning. It's going to scan the security scan on here to make sure that it's safe. And now the computer asks, "Do we want the following program to make changes to this computer?" I'm going to say yes. Now it's telling me I don't know how too far to go now. Again, I'm going to select English as my language because that is the language we're speaking. And then I'm going to agree to the terms. And then it just lets me know that we can make mostly free calls. We don't need to do that. We're just going to continue. And then we can make this our search engine, being our search engine. We're going to continue. And then it's going to download. And it takes a few minutes, and it's still taking a few minutes. Now that it's finished downloading, it says type in Skype name and Skype account. So we're going to go ahead and sign in. And let's see if I remember everything right. Okay, so it is then I'm going to sign in. And we are nearly done. So now this part asks us to check to make sure everything is okay. So we're going to check to make sure when we're Skyping, because most of this whole thing that I'm trying to do is for video conferencing. So we want to make sure that everything works. So we're going to go ahead and click continue. And we don't want to take a picture of myself, but we're going to test the sound. We can hear it. The microphone, you can see my voice. And then the camera, as you can see, I'm in here. I am not. Okay, so we're going to continue. And now it wants for me to take a picture. So I'm going to see if I can find one really quick for her. Okay, so I found a picture. And I'm going to continue. And we're going to start using Skype. And now she is ready to Skype. She has everything that she needs. She's able to start finding her friends, start searching her address book that she doesn't have yet, and creating it. And you can see up here she has the house, the phone, the teleconferencing, and all these wonderful things. So this is just the beginning of how you would set up and use Skype. I want to say thank you for following us and learning how to set up the account, and I hope to learn more and show more about how to use Skype in the classroom for teleconferencing. But anyway, thanks again. Have a great night. Bye-bye.